Hey viewers, AC Tech back. So here is the update on project EJ6. A lot of work's been done. We've already pulled out the whole front end bumper, front bumper hood, fenders, sold that off. We're gonna update this to a 9900, other than the 96, 98 that we sold off. Front end's been taken off. Still trying to find a buyer for this H22, or start it up later, probably at the end of this video. A lot of work. There you go. Look at all this. A lot of sanding that we need to do. It's painted like several times, pink, red, black. Fully gutted out. This is a full restoration mod. It does have the Yonoka exhaust. We're going to do a rear disc conversion also. We're probably going to go ahead and sell this Yonoka exhaust and get a better exhaust system, or I'll probably build one. But here is the progress. We are tearing this bad boy apart. No bolt untouched. So if you're looking for a motor, this H22 runs. I'm gonna go ahead and start this H22 for you. Also, you know, it's for sale. $1,900 is what my friend is selling it for. And here we go. It's running. It's a good motor. No hiccups. It's just we are getting this out. So this is the motor that we're replacing with a nice K20 for off an SI 2008 Civic SI. Do a lot of rebuilding on that also, but that's what we're throwing with K swapping. So if you need a motor, this is a good running motor. It's only about $1,900. Full swap, everything: transmission, fuel lines, everything, injectors. You get everything. All right. It already has a skunk tube manifold, AM, fuel rail, some aftermarket headers. It runs. We'll give you everything. The shift linkages, so you could just drop and pop and put it in your Civic. Well, this is the update for the Civic project EJ6.